things over, you move your values over to isolate your constants are going to equal the stuff with variables attached now. Okay? This is your answer column, which will be last column in the calculator. So this is your answer column. This will be the last column in your calculator. So this will be column number 4. This will be column number 1, column number 2, and column number 3. Alright? So go ahead and you put in all these values. Alright? So what happens there is negative 0.005. It's negative 0.005 because up here it was positive. You move it to the other side. This is an equal sign, so 15 equals negative 0.005 plus 0.07 plus 0.06. So you have all those values. You take these constants, and this is what you put in your calculator, these numbers. And if there's not a value for M2 here, you just write a 0. See, there's not a value for M6 because M6 isn't in the second equation right here. We only have an M1 and an M4. So there's an M4 here, and there's a constant in front of it. All right? So that's what you put in. You go like this. Negative 0.005, boom. 0.07, boom. 0.06, and you put it in. And you go on, and then notice that 15, the constant, the answer, is there. So when you enter in all your data into the matrix editor, you press enter, and then home, okay? And you'll have to name this table. See, it's S, okay? It says S right there. So you're going to want to name it. And when you name it and you press enter, it spits a bunch of crap out at you. And one really good way to know that you did it right is if there's a 1 in diagonals. It's got to start at 1 in the top left-hand corner and then end in diagonals. If you didn't end up with this, then something's wrong. You did it wrong. Go back and check your equations, okay? But these are the mass flow rates right here. These are the answers to this problem. And how you know which one corresponds to what is right here. So you're going to have a 1 in the top left-hand corner, okay? And then this is like your visual on the actual calculator. You're going to have a 1 and a 1 and a 1. There's going to be these answers. And you're like, well, which one's which? Well, that's why I told you to organize how you put it into the calculator. So M2 is going to be your first one. M4 is going to be your second one. M6 is going to be your third one. So M2 corresponds to 147, M4 corresponds to 91, and M6 corresponds to 155. So this is it. This is the answers. So M1 equals 100, M2 equals 91.397. I'm sorry. I'm getting confused. M2 is 147.019. M4 is 91.3978. M6 equals 155.621. So that's it. This is a fairly long video, so I'll come back and do the rest of the problem for you guys, and I'm going to send this out to you guys right now, and if you guys like it, sweet. If not, just ignore it, I guess. So thanks a lot. See ya.